In this video, we'll play a little bit with numbers in Julia, and we'll play with some arithmetics. So how to do a sum and addition in Julia. So it's just with a plus symbol like this. So I am in the arithmetic Jupyter notebook that you can find on GitHub. You can see that in the previous lecture. The difference is with the minus symbol. So that's a subtraction, all good. Then multiplication will be with a star like this. I can have 2 by 5 would give me 10. A division, a quotient, would be with the bar, like in most languages. So far everything is like you're probably used to. Now see that you have a dot 0 here, even if it was not a division giving any kind of decimal, but that's just what happened with this division. It gives you a float. You can play with type of to confirm. Then power. So power, we start to have some differences with other languages. So you have to use this symbol, the arrow, the circumflex. And in other languages, for instance, in Python, it would be like this. So this is the power, this is the exponential. But with Julia, it's with this hat. So we can run that, 100, because it's 10 per 10. Modulus, modulo. So it's a percentage sign, so it's the rest of the division of 101 by 2. So it's 1, because 100 can be divided by 2, it's 50. If it's 101, 1 is resting. That's what modulus is giving us. The square root, so here it's interesting. So you can do it either with this function, square root, with some letters removed. Here I just put the comments explaining what it is. So the square root of 2 is 1.41 . Or if you want, you can also actually write the symbol of square root. So that's something we've seen before when we were looking at the emoticon and pi. You just have to do the backslash and then you start writing what you want. Oops. Like an S for square root, then tab. And well, you'll have many things. So I continue to write a little bit more. Square, and here we see square root, and you can see it's the symbol here. So I do this, I press tab, and I got my symbol. Then I put a 2, I run it, and it gives me the same. So it could be faster to read, like people will prefer one or the others. Then, well, here I just left something for you to try, and you should, because you will not remember everything if you don't try yourself. You can do exactly the same with the division. So you can actually, instead of having the bar, you can use this symbol, and to get this symbol, then I'll let you try also. I leave that as an exercise. You would do what I just did, but you will look for div, like division. And the division of 10 by 6, we can see here that it's an entire division, so it's giving me only the integer of this division. Now if I do this, it's doing exactly the same. It's only giving me the actual value without the floating point. If I do this, then it's simplifying for me what the division was. So instead of saying, hey, it's 10 divided by 6, well, 10 is 5 by 2 and 6 is 3 by 2. So it just removes that and it leaves me 5 double bar 3. Now, if I create and I assign a value to a number, and I say, okay, x is equal to 10, then I can multiply just by, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, juxtaposition in English. So just put them, concatenate them together. So here x is 10, so x per 5 would be 50, and that's exactly what we have here. So you can see where it's going, right? It's useful to do math, it's useful to write equation and that kind of thing. So that's it for arithmetics with Julia. It was pretty cool, and we'll continue in the next lecture with a new topic.